Today I'm reviewing another solar fountain for my bird bath. This is a 3-pack. It's 3 of the same one. So I have 3 bird baths, so I can put them all out and we can see how they work. But let me get them opened up. Okay, this is the fountain. There's your pump, battery. You can turn it on auto, night. It has a float. Tubes that you can stick in the side, which will keep it from floating all over the bird bath. We've got instructions and more instructions. We also have a lot of different nozzles. And if you watched any of my other reviews of fountains, I usually do not put any nozzles on. I like to let the water bubble over, but we will try them all out. This is what it looks like if you don't put any nozzles on it. Okay, that's the nozzle that you can put the attachments on. You can leave it like this, or you can add the attachments. Okay, this attachment shoots up like that. This one sprays outward a little more. This one sprays a little higher, but it also sprays outward. This one sprays higher as well. This one will just bubble over. That's the way I like it. The hummingbirds like these too. Okay, we have this one. It does more of a straight line up. And this one is definitely a straight line up. Okay, and these are the little straws that go on the side that'll keep it more towards the middle. My bird bath's still too big, but mine's also too shallow around the edges. But if you have one that's a little straighter, actually I do have one. Let me show you. So this is the size bird bath you need if you want to keep it in the center. I'm fine letting it float all over the place in the bigger bird bath. But I'll put the camera out here and we'll see if we get any birds on the bird bath enjoying the new fountain. it lights up at night. This fountain is easy to assemble, and I like that it has no wires attached to it. It has a 5-watt high-efficiency solar panel with built-in battery backup. The more sunlight it absorbs, the stronger the spray, and the battery automatically activates when the sun isn't out. The lights at night are very pretty and bright and would be nice in a patio bird bath or pond. I've used it for a few days. It works great. I will check back in and let you know how it's working in a few months. Thanks for watching. Happy birding.